Reviews of books I haven't read in years.
We have The Sword of Bedwyr by R.L. Salvatore. Okay, so Salvatore is another one of those fantasy authors that when I was a kid, like, his bookshelf in Books A Million took up, like, so much room. He had written so much. These are the only Salvatore books I've ever read, as far as I can remember. Uh, no reason to do them separately. The series here is about this kid named Luthien, or think something like that. He was like a noble, like princeling kind of guy. He was like a nobleman. I don't remember much about him, but something happened. He had to run away from home. He has this red cloak, which is magic. He meets a dragon. They make friends. He also is friends with a highwayman who is a dwarf, as in like the mythical beings dwarfs. I remember that there's a strait with, like, I couldn't tell if they meant them to be sharks or if they were actually killer whales. But because, things set in fantasy time periods often do not differentiate between the fact that whales are not actually fish, and we'll call them fish because that's what they did at the time in like medieval and even back to the 1800s. But all I really remember about it is that there were fish in the water and they would eat you. Also, he goes to a town and becomes like a Robin Hood-esque highwayman figure, but he does not actually intend to be a hero in the beginning. He's sort of just trying to live his life, but then, like, being young, pretty, and noble somehow just makes him become the hero, who, if I remember correctly in the end, becomes the king of the kingdom. I might be entirely wrong about that. I don't know, I read them a while ago.